Hey, welcome back guys. In this lecture I'm going to show you how you can make all your screens interactive. So let's get started. In order to make our prototype interactive, we will use the power of links. We will link a particular region of our screen to any slide in our project. This way, when the user taps on that particular region, it will navigate to that slide that we have linked it to. Let me show you how that's done. Let's start by getting a rectangle shape. And we will make it cover our button over here, so we'll give it the same dimensions that our Facebook button has, and we will change this color and make it completely transparent. So seems like I've selected a image fill here, so let's change it to color fill and make its opacity 0. Now the same thing could also be achieved by selecting no fill over here, but I suggest you to take the approach of making the opacity 0, because this way you can still select the shape that you have and move it around easily. If you select no fill, you cannot really interact with that shape. Now that we have a transparent shape here, right click on the shape and select add link. Now select the slide option over here. Here you will enter the number of the slide where you want the user to navigate to when he taps on this particular button. In this case we have entered slide number 4, so when the user taps on this button he will be directed to slide number 4. Now what I'm going to do is copy this shape that has a link and paste it wherever there's a button and simply change the slide number for the link. So let's add the same link for our sign in with Google and sign in with the email button. All the three are going to navigate to the same slide, so we don't need to change the slide number for the link. Whereas for our last button over here, which is our sign up button, we will change the slide number to the appropriate slide. Let's take our prototype for a test drive now. But before we do that, we need to take care of one important aspect, which is change the presentation type to links only. This can be done from the document settings on the right over here. This will ensure that the slides do not change if the user taps anywhere else and only change when they tap on a link. Now let's go ahead and run this presentation. So this is our first screen. As you can see, if I tap anywhere outside, the screens do not change. So if I tap on the Facebook button, it's going to navigate me to the 4th slide, which is our create new project slide. So now let's go ahead and add the links to all our slides and make this prototype completely interactive. So I've added links now to every screen that we have, and now our prototype is completely interactive. We can navigate from any screen to the other screens that this screen leads to. As you can see, this feels very much like using the real app and gives the users a very clear understanding of what the app does. This is the most effective and convenient way of sharing the idea for your app.